Welcome to no-nonsense-booking.com hosting. In this video, I will show you how you can easily set last-minute deals on your booking.com property. It is fairly easy. Once you're logged into your booking.com extranet, which is admin.booking.com, just go over to promotions option and then click on choose new promotion. That will land you on the promotions page. Now, usually they have these campaign deals at the top. And when you scroll down towards the bottom, you will see these portfolio deals. And this is where you can choose the second option, which is last minute deal. Click on add promotion here, and that will open up the last minute deal page. Here you can set how long before check-in can this promotion be booked. You can either set it to days and you can increase or decrease the number of days, or you can set it to hours as well. And the second option is audience, whether you want to offer it to everyone or do you just want to set it to newsletter subscribers, which is basically secret deals booking.com sends out to their newsletter subscribers. And then how much discount do you want to offer? It is set to 10% by default, but you can always increase or decrease it. And then you can set your date range, or if you want to apply it for specific dates, you can choose those dates in the calendar. And towards the end, you can choose which days you want to offer the last minute deals. And then you can just scroll down, click on review and confirm. Now, a few good practices is I usually don't offer last minute discount on weekends because they sell anyway. So in my opinion, you should always offer these kind of discounts for weekdays, as well as try and offer the discounts for the lean period, not the busiest period, because these deals you offer is meant to help you with occupancy, not to kill your pricing. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you click on review and click on activate, this discount will straight away become available on your listing. Another thing to note is booking.com discount do stack up. For example, you can go to promotions and click on simulate maximum discount. This is where you can get a clear picture of how the discounts are working on your property and how they look. For example, if you want to set it to $100 a night, and then you can see whether offering a genius discount is going to make it $90 per night. And then mobile rate and country rate, they stack on top of genius discount. So when you flick these on, you can see all the variations, and specifically last minute deal adds on to genius and any targeting discount, which is mobile rate and country rate. So you can play around with it, but always make sure the discounts you are setting up are going to be acceptable to you. You don't want to offer a price which you're not really happy with. So always make sure you know exactly which discounts stack up and which don't. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.